like a full frame off restoration. It's that time of year, and I know some of you will be excited, but it's time to get started back on the 56. I do think we have a motor planned for it, but I'm not going to reveal that yet. For now, I'm just going to get up there and get the fenders down so I can start working on them. Ooh, I got to put those up. Ooh-wee, got the fender down. You can see it's obviously got some rust damage. This is supposed to be a battery tray. Damage on the front. Just a small amount of damage there. That should buff out. In preparation to start putting things back together again. Not sure what to do about that though. Hopefully we can make it look as nice as the firewall. 7 o'clock at night. Pitch black outside. Oh, I gotta love winter. Even though it is 76 degrees today at the beginning of November. Just for giggles, let's see if it comes out with a wrench. Nope, not that one. Okay, let's try this one. Oh my gosh, it turned. Oh, so did that one. Ha ha! Look at that. Ready for paint. It's really not that ready for paint, but I'm impatient and can't help myself. New paint. Ooh-wee, shiny. It'll dry a little bit flatter. Got satin paint. Just regular old Rust-Oleum. Should at least slow down the corrosion a little bit. Fender number 2, same as fender number 1. Second fender's done. It's in a little bit better shape than the other one, unless you look down there. But we're not going to worry about that. So yesterday while I was grinding on that fender, there was dust everywhere. And I realized that would be a pretty big problem, getting dust all over everything in the barn. And I've been down that road before. So I come up with a solution. I took our 12 by 12 canopy that I'm borrowing from my son. So when you see this, kiddo, I'm borrowing your canopy. And I set it up, and I went around and put plastic around it and zip tied it to the frame. I still got to buy more plastic for right there. And I also placed it right in front of the stove. So when I have the stove on, I'm only heating 144 square feet inside here versus the entire barn. Should keep me warmer and keep the dust down. And it just basically takes up all the space I was already working in anyway. Easy enough to move, easy enough to fold up. I can still close it up if I have to. Shouldn't be a problem. Just got zip ties on it at the pivot points, so it should be able to fold up pretty easily and be moved. I think it'll work out wonderfully. Oh man, that looks better. That's gonna look nice once it's all done. I do just have these temporarily up here with a couple zip ties to hold the front together. I just want to see what it's gonna look like once it starts to go back together. Quite impressed. Still have those parts to do. Have a tent to do it in. Parts, tent. Parts, tent.
Beep, 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 beep. Beep, beep.
That is working amazing. It is considerably warmer in here than it is out here.
Ooh, I got you first.
It was a fail on keeping the dust down, wasn't it?
It looks a lot thicker in person.
Do that outside, huh?
Yeah, we can do it outside.
Yeah.
You might spray paint better than me.
Might.
Lots to do, lots to do. You're pathetic. Big baby. When it's not the kids, it's the dogs. To remember which paint to get?
Canyon Black Satin.
Okay, you said take.
Well, I'm gonna try SOS pad, and Neverdol. See which one works best.
Is it working?
I think so.
I'm recording right now.
Well, that's great. You shut off the camera to belch like a man. Ooh, that'll probably look okay.
There's all those sweet tart candies.
Mm-hmm.
Look what I brought you.
Oh, Nutter Butter. Ooh.
Really, hun?
Mm.
Oh, here.
Well,
Oh.
you win. I'll leave it chrome. It'll make it shinier, but it'll still be pitted.
Good job, hun. Good girl. I do like how the zip ties, the color of the zip ties incorporate. Zip ties and duct tape fixes everything, right?
Yep. Warming your buns.
Yeah, I'm a little chilly.
Step in there. It is a huge difference. Now that there's no dust. That was the most pathetic attempt at going in there I've ever seen.
No, it's not. You don't know what you're talking about.
These parts are drying. Put the final coat of paint on those. Then I'm going to bring the grill in there where it's nice and warm.
Nice and warm.
Take the grill in there and get it cleaned up. Get it ready to go back on. Still have big news coming about this. I just got to talk to a guy about some stuff. Fenders will come back off shortly. I just wanted to see what it was all going to look like put together. We'll take them off and store them somewhere else. Maybe back up there. Because there is a ton of work to do to get the new engine in.
You want to put those back up there?
Probably, yes.
It's so much work.
Yeah. Still looking at suspension ideas. I don't think it'd be too hard to get a kit to put different upper and lower A-arms on it, which would eliminate all of this altogether, except for maybe bracing. Different transmission's going to go in, which means a shorter drive shaft, which means we'll be delivering more power to the rear end, so the rear end will probably get changed out. Hopefully disc brake conversion on that as well.
What was that? Right.
So the shelter didn't work out quite the way I'd hoped. It does put a lot of heat in there when somebody's not blocking it all, so it works great for heat. But when I was doing all the grinding, I had this open so the heat could get in, and I think that the air was just pushing in here and then blowing all the dust and rust and everything else right back out, because I can't see how that would have got out any other way to the extent that it did. So maybe not the best for grinding, but I don't have a lot of that left to do over here. But it works great for heat when somebody's not standing right in front of the heater. Love you. She's laughing at me because
Sorry, that's fine.
because I thought I was taking a video and I was only taking photos. I'm just talking away and I look down and photo taken. Great. What an idiot.
Your facial expression.
So stupid.
I can look at that. I got it real good. I've had many years.
Cleaning and scrubbing.
Yes. It's true.
Probably end the video here. We get a lot of comments about what the progress is on the car, what we're going to do with it, engine suggestions, paint suggestions. So quick video just to update. We are working on it. We have started to work on it again, and we got some big stuff coming. We've made some decisions, and some good stuff's coming. So hang in there. We appreciate you joining. Hopefully we'll see you on the next one.